Hi friends, users have asked several questions in this particular page about the SQL sum on a single column, on multiple column. These questions are beautiful questions, so we'll try to answer those questions and see what best we can do. So let's start. One question is how can someone tell me how to sum two or more rows from one table but different categories? I have a table that summarizes my cells per category, but I want to generate a report that summarizes all the items sold per category and return it in one single row. Please help. Yeah, this is you have to use a group by command, because you can group by command apply to the categories column, and at the same time it will return you the sum of the cell figure per that category. So you have suppose four categories, all the four categories with respect to total sum also will be returned. We'll try in our SQL, in the MySQL workbench. Let me zoom a bit. Fine, you can see that I am inside MySQL workbench. I am running this. What I will do, select class is consider it to be a category, so there are I think 5-6 different class are there. So class, then count id sorry, we can sum it up also. Let's sum mark from our table name is student sum from student. Let's take it the student table from student group by class. This is our query. Let's run this one. Yeah, you can see class 8 total sum of the mark is 79.5. These particular classes are all you can see as categories. There are actually multiple rows. 8 class, there are maybe 4-5 rows are there. With 5 class, maybe 3-6 rows are there. So we are grouping the data in our class. This is in your case, or in the question what is asked, it is the category. So we are getting against each category what is the sum of the mark. Say you want that what are the number of records, because we have a ID field there. What we can do is count how many records are there in each class. So this will return us number of records against each category or each class. You can see this is the figure 8. You can do one more. You can, instead of this, you can sum it up also. Sum are both things we can display. Let's run this. You can see this count field gives me how many records are there against each class or each category. Hope this has clarified you the question. Let's go to the next. How to list a record from 2nd to 5th from MySQL DB in PHP. Sorry, in this we cannot answer the particular about PHP. We'll see about SQL part. From 2nd to 5th you can use order by or limit, using the limit query. From 2nd to 5th where ID is, we can use ID where ID is second means ID is ID in 2, 3, 4, 5, 2nd to 5th. Let's try that also. Let's try select star from student where ID in let's say we want to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. You whatever way you want to extend it. Now let's run this. Fine, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5 IDs are generated. So excellent, best tutorial, thank you, many good words. Now here, after getting the sum of column values in a grid view, I want to display in text box. Please guide me. Now what the text box you can't do in a MySQL, you have to probably, if you are getting the data, take it out, use it in a PHP or Python or Java, wherever you want, then display it. You can't do the display a text box in the inside MySQL, because MySQL is like a storage space only. Thank you, but I need 1 to 4 sum value only. If any option is there, please tell. 1 to 4 sum. Okay, this will do. Now select what I will do. sum, I will say mark is my column, from student where ID in you are told 1 to 4. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will remove. So this is based on the ID. So let's run this and see. Yeah, sum is 275. Fine, added this part in SQL. Okay, thank you, excellent. How to sum after round field in group clause. Select sum round field to from table group by. That's the solution. You can you have already used it. You can, the link is available here also, the round function. You can use it. This is the way only to go. Then, so thank you. I have select and listed products, product name, price, select product ID, product name, price from product, where price is greater than equal to 50. How do I get a total of this while still returning the listed item? Thanks in advance. This is an excellent question, because usually when we go for a group by command, when you get to get it, we get a single result row. Say, I will just show you one example. Here you see we have used a group by, the second one, group by class. Now let's run this one. Now you can see 8, 1, 79. So this is grouped against the class. What you want is, we should list the student by ID 1, ID 2, ID 3. Parallelly, we have to the aggregate column also should be displayed. Now this is done in MySQL 8 version by using over and partition command. There is a separate tutorial is there we have added now. You can read this. Exactly the same thing is answered here. Just click this, you go there, read, but that will work in MySQL 8 and above. The window functions are used and the solution is given. Now that comes to end our SQL sum. We'll just move to now next section on the sum, where we have used our in multiple columns.